Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, density stratification. It sounds complex, but it's actually all around us. Simply put, it's about how different layers form in fluids based on their weight. First, let's understand density. Density is how much stuff is packed into a given space. So imagine a feather in a rock. The rock is much denser. Stratification just means forming layers. Therefore, density stratification is when liquids or gases arrange themselves into layers, where each layer has a different density. The heaviest, or densest, layers sink to the bottom, while lighter, less dense layers float on top, so you can think of it like a stack of pancakes, but with fluids. What makes things dense? For water, temperature is a big one, as colder water is usually denser than warmer water, and salinity, or how much salt is dissolved, also matters because saltier water is denser. For air, temperature and humidity play roles, and for the Earth itself, the different materials make up its layers. We see density stratification everywhere. For example, in the ocean, colder, saltier water sinks while warmer, fresher water stays on top, creating layers called thermoclines, haloclines, and pycnoclines, and these layers prevent mixing. Similarly, in the atmosphere, warm air rises and cool air sinks, creating layers like the troposphere where we live and the stratosphere above it. Inside the Earth, the core, mantle, and crust are distinct layers, with the core being the densest. Even in everyday examples, oil and water don't mix because the oil floats as it's less dense, and salad dressing often separates into layers. Why is this important? Density stratification affects many things. It controls how nutrients move in oceans, influences ocean currents and weather patterns, and can even impact how much oxygen is available in deep waters. Understanding it helps us predict climate change effects, as it's a fundamental principle in nature. Thank you for watching this explanation of density stratification. If you found this information helpful or interesting, please consider supporting the channel. Your support helps us create more videos like this. We appreciate you being here.